In this video SEO course, I am going to tell you some unique tips how to rank your video number 1. There are so many video SEO tutorials which talk about the same stuff like putting keyword tags in your title description, make attractive thumbnails, etc. In this video, I will tell you something different which will propel your video to number 1 position. I also have a bonus tip at the end. Hey, I am Seema Gupta, Professor of Digital Marketing at IIM Bangalore. Strategy number 1 is video file meta tags. People tell about putting meta tags like keywords in title and description, but often they forget about putting meta tags in the video file itself. Give the same title to your video file as the video itself and tag it with the same keywords. This will boost your video SEO as it hammers your keyword and title at all possible places, giving a signal to YouTube that your video is about those keywords. Also give meta tags to thumbnail file. Rename the thumbnail file such that it has the same name as your video title. Remember, title already has your keyword. So again, it hammers the keyword and title. Strategy number 2 for video SEO is add subtitles to videos. Adding subtitles to videos will include more text content in the video, thereby telling YouTube what the video is all about. Remember to add keywords in subtitles. It can also widen the reach of video in different markets with different accents. For example, Indian accent is very different from American or UK accent. So subtitles in the video will make it more palatable to international audiences. Strategy number 3 for how to rank videos. Reply to each comment. In reply, add keywords, add links of related videos or articles or products you are selling on your website. Lots of traffic and conversions come from these links. When replying to comment, again ask questions, as then user will reply and that will increase engagement. Strategy number 4 for video optimization is ask for thumbs up after an aha moment. Users are unlikely to do thumbs up at the end as they may be thinking of next video, and some users may have dropped off in between. Also, there are many asks at the end like thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out website and comment. One user is unlikely to engage in so many call to actions. Hence, it is better to space them out throughout the video. Ask for thumbs up after an aha moment, which may be in the first 2 minutes. Ask for subscribing after 4 minutes of video, as by then video would have built credibility for channel subscription. At the end, ask for checking out website. If you want more such awesome tips, subscribe to my channel. Click on button on the bottom right corner of the video. Strategy number 5 for YouTube SEO is put subscribe watermark in each video. When you put subscribe watermark in each video, viewers can subscribe to your channel at any point while they are watching the video. It is easier to get viewers to subscribe to your channel while they are watching the video than towards the end of the video. The subscribe rate will increase if you specifically ask users to subscribe to the channel. This is available in the brand section of your settings in YouTube channel. Strategy number 6, give something specific to comment upon. Instead of generally asking the viewers to comment, ask a specific question. For example, which time is better for asking for subscribe, during the video or end of the video? Comment below. Another way is to ask people to share challenges they are facing, and you will respond with personalized tips and suggestions. When viewers see some value, they are more likely to comment. Strategy number 7, give bonus at the end. Giving bonus at the end may be a good hook for retaining the viewers and making them watch through the end. People will anticipate and await the bonus if you announce there will be a bonus tip. It also conveys the reward for loyalty. Strategy number 8, use listicles as people wait for next item in the list. Listicles like my 10 unique strategies for video SEO will build anticipation as viewers do not want to miss out on items. Strategy number 9. Install Video IQ or TubeBuddy. These are browser extensions for keyword research. Through this, you can get analytics for any video you are watching on the right side of the watch page. Hence, you do not have to view page source for each video to know the tags, or you have to not go to the channel to see channel statistics. I highly recommend any one of these for video optimization. You can see video statistics like how many views, thumbs up and down, shares, tags used. It also shows channel statistics such as subscribers, number of videos. You can use these to see if you should target these keywords or not. Bonus tip: get recommended for snowball effect. More important than search is to get recommended as suggested video. That will give a snowball effect. Typically, YouTube recommends videos which have similar number of views. So if you have 500 views, you cannot be recommended alongside videos which have 200,000 views. Imagine if YouTube shows such videos with so much difference in views, how odd will the user feel? So you must promote till you get 20% of your competitors' views, as then you can get into recommended views. Which of the above 10 strategies do you like the most? Share with me by commenting below. Do subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips. Thank you for watching.